What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Apex Academy video. Today we're going to be talking about creating mega menus, specifically a mini mega menu here with the Alpha Wolf theme. So if you guys are familiar with Wolf of Shopify, let me go ahead and pull them up here. Wolf of Shopify. They have a Alpha Wolf theme. It is their more premium theme, I guess you could say, and they basically have a whole bunch of different features to a theme like this. And one of the features are the mega menu. Now, shout out to Fernando. He's the one who asked for this specific video. You guys know I've been out of commission for a little while. Haven't been posting these kind of videos. But, you know, we're trying our best to get back into the swing of things. You know, sometimes when you're out of commission a little bit, it takes a little bit of time to get back into the swing of things. So, how to create a mini mega menu, which is essentially what Alpha Wolf kind of offers. Now, they don't talk about mega menus here. They don't really mention that you can use a mega menu, and I don't know why they don't, but here is kind of how to set it up. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to realize what a mega menu is, or a mini mega menu, and the first thing to understand is that a mega menu is not always the best thing for your business. Now, I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm also not saying it's the very best thing, and I'll explain. So, specifically for mega menus, guys, is they're kind of a little bit harder to use, especially if you have limited amount of products. If you have limited amount of products, I kind of don't recommend it, but then again, it's kind of up to you. Now, for my little theme here, you guys might have this stuff on the right side. It's just because of my monitor. Things are a little bit more compact. I'm going to be switching my monitor real soon. But this is essentially how it works. You go over here to your theme settings, right? And there should be a little thing that pops up to the right, which is essentially this side, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to your mega menu option, okay? On the what's it called? The Alpha Wolf theme, right? And you're going to pick which one you want your mega menu to be on, like which link you want it to be on. So let's say you want it to be on your women's one, right? So what you do is you type in women's, right? Now notice I already have one here for the men's, and it looks like this. It's basically your regular menu with an image of the product or whatever you want to add an image of. It could be a promo image, it could be like a discount image, whatever kind of image you want, right? But you can see here now when I hover over women's, because I entered women's here, there's like this image icon, or I guess you could say a placeholder image, right? And so what this would be considered as mega menu item number 2. So it'd be this one right here. And you can have 3 different mega menus, right, with this specific theme. Now, the way to do it, like I said, is you take whatever link you want to be that mega menu, and you paste it right here. So let's say I wanted to, let's just remove this and I want to start all over, right? If I take my mouse and I hover over here, it literally is just kind of regular. Now, this is how it would regularly look. But let's say I want to add a mega menu for men's. So let's do that. So I type in men's here, okay? So let it load, right? Because you got to watch the green bar. Take your mouse, you hover over, and you have this little icon. Now what you do is you have to add the image for the specific mega menu. Now what the image does is it just gives people a visual for what they're expecting to see. So since this is men's clothing, the idea is I'm going to take a picture of like a men's garment, and I'm going to put it in the men's mega menu. It wouldn't be smart to take a picture of the men's image and put it in the women's, right? It just kind of obvious because you want people to get an idea of essentially what they're seeing. Okay? Now after that, you go over here to the you go to the image rather, and you can create a link for it. So since this is the men's category, I want to link the men's image to a product, right? So I could find the correlating product, and it doesn't necessarily have to be a product. It could be a page. It could be a collection. It could be really whatever. So I could just set it up, for example, a collection for men's shirts, right? And now it's kind of added. And what I could do is I could just save my progress, right? Let's go ahead and hit save. So what I did here was I essentially added the link, the image, and the link for the image, okay? So when I say the link here, I added the link as in I deciphered to the Shopify business, to the Shopify theme, what link I want to open a mega menu with. The next thing I do is I add an image, right? So in this case, I added this image. And then the next thing after that is I select the link for where I want it to go. So now if I go over here and I click on, let me go back here. If I hover my mouse over the link and I click on the actual image, guess where it's going to take me? To the men's shirts category, as I kind of told it to do so here. So this is essentially a quick little video guide on how to set it up and how to do it. And once again, the reason why my settings here are on the left is because my monitor is a little bit compact. Once I switch my monitor, everything is going to be on the right side, as you guys are probably seeing it on your guys' monitors at home. Mine is just a little bit different, all right? If you guys have any questions on this mini mega menu setup where you could show the image and the links and things like that, hit me up in the comments down below, and I'll probably try to help you out as much as I can, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.